Master fish filleting. Pro tips and techniques. Ever wondered how to fillet fish like a pro? The kind of filleting that makes you feel like a culinary ninja? Well, today's your lucky day. We're diving into the art of fish filleting, breaking down essential techniques. Welcome to Speedy Chef, where cooking is fast, fun, and delicious. Today, we're serving up the ultimate fish filleting guide. From delicate trout to hefty tuna, get perfect fillets every time. From choosing the right knives to handling different species, we've got you covered. Get ready to transform from a novice to a filleting fanatic. We'll cover everything from sardines to salmon, and soon you'll impress friends with restaurant-quality seafood. Let's get started. Before we dive into filleting, let's discuss tools. Having the right gear is key to a clean, efficient fillet. Don't let their size fool you. Small fish are packed with flavor. Learn to handle these little guys. Put down the knife. Filleting sardines is all about using your hands. Let's get our hands dirty together. Chapter 4. Mackerel. Butterfly. Your way to deliciousness. Mackerel, a fish with a killer flavor, is perfect for a quick butterfly fillet. Chapter 5. Porgy. Preserving the prize. The porgy, with its rich meat, deserves a delicate touch. Here's how to fillet it like a pro. Chapter 6. Medium fish. Stepping up our filleting game. Get ready to tackle medium-sized fish and their techniques. Chapter 7. Branzino's delicate flavor. Let's start filleting. Chapter 8. Red snapper with its firm texture is a favorite. We'll show you how to navigate those bones. Chapter 9. Arctic char, similar to salmon but even more forgiving, is perfect for practicing your filleting skills. Chapter 10. Large fish. Big fish, big flavor, big techniques. Time to break out the big guns. We're tackling large fish techniques. Salmon, fillet or steak. The choice is yours. Salmon, the king of fish, offers endless possibilities. Fillet it or choose a flavorful steak cut. Chapter 12. Striped bass, sustainable seafood sensations. Striped bass, especially the farm-raised varieties, is both delicious, healthy, and sustainable. Ready to impress? Let's fillet tuna for sushi. Ready to explore exotic seafood? Discover unique techniques today. Chapter 15. Squid, with its versatility, is a culinary playground. We'll have you cooking it up in no time at all. Chapter 16. Octopus. A delicacy worldwide, requires finesse. We'll show you how to get it tender. Chapter 17. Monkfish, with its firm, lobster-like texture. Let's fillet! Congratulations, chefs! You've officially leveled up your culinary skills. Now you know how to fillet every fish like a pro. From tiny sardines to massive tunas. From delicate fillets perfect for pan-searing to hearty steaks ready for the grill. Mastering these techniques unlocks a world of seafood deliciousness. Which fish are you excited to try filleting? Let me know in the comments below, and tag us on social media with your masterpieces. We love seeing your culinary creations. Want to sharpen your knife skills? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert cooking tutorials. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy cooking.